Kaiju Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece. Born on May 5th, Luffy dreamed of being a pirate since childhood. At the age of 17, Luffy sets sail from the East Blue Sea to the Grand Line in search of the legendary treasure One Piece to succeed Goldie Roger as king of the pirates. Luffy is the captain of Straw Hat Pirates, usually cheerful, but he becomes serious and even aggressive when he fights. Luffy also grows stronger over the course of the story, as reflected in his bounty, which is used to measure the threat he poses to the world government. Thank you for watching. If you like my drawing, please subscribe or click the like button below. Let's draw together. See you next time. Bye.